right? What?
Where?
Right there! Zoo Knoxville Drive!
This is Rutledge Pike.
Are you taking us to the zoo?
Surprise! Alright, so what is our goal for you today for the zoo?
Mammals.
You have to say if each animal is a...
Mammal or a not mammal.
So we've got a zoo map and you've got pencils. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a check next to their name if they're a mammal and an X on their name if they're not a mammal, okay?
Okay.
And then she has her camera and she can take pictures of just the mammals today. Ooh, I wonder if she can resist the temptation of taking pictures of cute non-mammal animals.
There's a cup holder in there.
That's cool. But they all have their science with them and we're just going to look and see how much science we can do today.
Okay.
Hey Madeline, a bonus. You know how you're learning about countries?
Uh-huh.
We'll look at the countries of each animal and see what country they're from, okay?
Okay.
Alright, yay, science book. Alright, list the 7 characteristics of a mammal.
Warm-blooded, have backbone, produce milk, breathe with lungs, have hair, most have 4 limbs, most give birth to live young.
Alright, so remember, we're going to remember all 7 of those and say mammal or not a mammal. What is our first animal?
Black bear falls.
Black bear falls. Let's go in here first.
They're so cool.
Bears in the backyard. Oh no, I love how the water's right here.
I think look at the ground.
Uh-huh.
I think we
Does anybody see a bear?
No.
I'll give you a hint. It's called a black bear because they're
Black.
black. Okay, so why is the bear a mammal?
Well, number 1, it has hair. Its fur is technically hair. Another thing is, a mother black bear will give birth to live young. If you've ever seen any pictures of a bear cub, I think I have one on the wall. Yeah, right here. She gives birth to live young. She doesn't lay eggs.
So a bear's a mammal?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's go find some more mammals. Okay, what's the next animal?
The Komodo dragon, Khaleesi, at Weed Play.
I'm not here. No, right here. Who's right here?
The penguin.
The penguins.
Where do I take
Careful.
Oh, can I take a picture of you though they're not mammals?
Why are they not mammals?
Well, as some people know, the penguin lays eggs. They also don't have any hair, I don't think.
Nope, what do birds have instead of hair?
Feathers. But feathers don't count as hair.
Uh-huh. All right, so are these mammals?
Nah.
Nah.
Hey, Rebecca.
All right, here's We Play. There's animals in here, but we're not gonna stop and play because we're learning things today.
Is that
Do you see the?
praying mantis?
It is a praying mantis. It's a metal construction of one. Is Khaleesi outside?
No.
Inside. Khaleesi's inside. Do you know who Khaleesi is?
No running like a cheetah. No roaring like a lion.
All right, this way.
There's a store, yeah.
Yep, there's the fun store. But today we're learning animals. I promise we will come back one day and do just playing. But for now, look at Khaleesi.
So big.
She's shedding.
Dragon.
I know. She's gotten so big since the first time we saw her.
Yes. She's shedding scales.
She is shedding scales.
Big.
Madeline, give me 2 reasons why you think she is or is not a mammal.
She isn't a mammal because
She is not, because sometimes it's hard to hear.
not a mammal because
Give me 2 reasons.
she lays eggs
And
she does not have any hair.
she does not have hair. What does she have instead? Can anybody tell what she has instead? Scales.
Is that a snake?
Where? It's a, it's not a real snake. It's just a,
No, it's just
but yeah.
trying to figure
No
out.
pictures of anything that's not a mammal. I'll do a picture of her real quick and then we'll head over to see the other animals in here. Hey, what's over here? a skink? It's a skink.
A snake?
Prehensile-tailed skink.
Oh, good. I hate snakes.
Do you see it, little one? Oh, it's right here. See up on the log up here?
I do. No!
Come back here a little ways.
It lays eggs.
Yes, it is a type of lizard. So is it a mammal?
Nah.
Do you think we'll see any mammals in here? Hey, Madeline. Is this a lizard?
You're so cool. What on earth? You're so cool.
Is it a mammal?
You're so pretty.
Because
It's a fish. It has scales. Oh.
there's 2 types in here. See the one on the wall?
3.
What do you see a 3rd one?
Oh, on the rock.
Oh, right there in front of it.
Rock.
See, I saw the one on the wall, and then I saw the one here. I didn't see that one.
That one's camouflaging, I'm sure.
The screens keep changing.
Look, it's a cactus. Whoa, that's
That is a cactus. That's not where the other Komodo dragon is anymore. What is that, Madeline?
It's a snake. I hate snakes.
What kind of snake?
I don't want to find out.
It's a reticulated python.
Snakes are creepy.
So, miss, I'm not going to get close to it. You still have to get close enough to tell me if it's a mammal or not.
It's not a mammal. It has scales and it lays eggs.
And it also does not have any
hair, live young.
legs. Do you like the creepy music over here? That is a huge snake. It is a very, very big snake. It's large. And it's moving.
Here, look at this lizard.
Sarah, it's moving.
Look at this.
All right, come on. All right, birds of Central America. Come on.
It's one of the real ones, though.
Oh yeah, you can't get on the real trucks. Just the ones that are not.
I thought it was for this.
No. Look at the cool art.
Wow, can I take a photo of that?
Sure. Move, Sarah.
Sarah,
Sarah,
please.
let her take a picture real quick, honey. Thank you. Yeah, it's where we walk in and see the ducks. Or it used to be. Let's see if it's still the same. It says porcupine. Let's see if we can see a porcupine.
Porcupines are mammals. They give birth to live young. They have prickles for hair.
Shh. Shh. Don't yell. We don't want to scare the porcupine. But we don't want to scare it. Okay, but don't scare the poor thing. Okay, I cannot see it.
I can't take a photo. I see it now. Except I can't take a photo. Number 1.
Yeah, I can't see it on camera at all. But I will take your word for it that that is a porcupine in there. Mammal? Hold on, close it. Close that. Mammal, not a mammal.
Mammal.
Are you sure? Okay. I want to double check that when we get home. Because there was... No, it's not. This has always been birds.
Look at these.
Yep. Remember, you're in their exhibit. Yep, I see it's right there. Don't touch. No touching.
I want a photo.
No touching. Do not touch it. Remember, you're in their exhibit. We're not going to touch. It's really cool to come in here late spring because when these trees are in bloom, they'll start building nests. Yeah, no touching.
Okay.
No touching. Does anybody else notice it's standing on one foot? Can you name another bird that does that?
Flamingo.
Flamingo. Shh. That is really cool.
They literally look like the maybe.
So cool. Mammal or not a mammal?
Not a mammal.
Any birds. Are any birds mammals?
To my knowledge, no.
Because all birds have,
Feathers.
and mammals have,
Fur.
and birds, all birds, yes, good job, Sarah. All birds lay eggs.
Every bird I can name.
Do we want to move on to the next one?
Ooh, look how it's a footprint on the rock. Ooh,
That is cool. That is super cool.
see where.
But yeah, I want to come back in here in spring whenever they start building the nests in the trees, because that's cool. Okay, bird show.
It's got his
Are
nervous
birds
laugh going now.
mammals or not
But what
mammals?
we want to do, we're going to take these little
But
fake
they're
bills
so
that
adorable.
I have.
I couldn't help
We're
but
gonna
taking
hold it
pictures.
I knew you couldn't help it.
Out by arm's length, if you will grab that for me.
All right, Rebecca, go.
Here you go.
Rebecca,
Now we don't want to get too close to him.
good job. All right, Rebecca, let Sarah go.
Here you go. So you're going to hold it out at arm's length. Perfect. Birdie.
It's an armadillo. There's 2 of them. It's an armadillo. We saw those in Florida.
Over there on the pool.
Madeline, did you see the monkey on the pole?
The monkey.
It's a marmoset.
Oh.
Do you remember coming to see whenever they were born?
Marmoset.
There's one up there too.
Marmoset. Do they take
Come here.
them too?
It's a Joffrey's marmoset.
Oh, 2.
6-banded armadillo and a Joffrey's marmoset. Oh goodness.
So cute. I want to stinks. It's kicking on. I'm trying to get a marmoset.
Don't be grumpy. They're all in there.
Okay, we'll get a picture of them. That's so cute.
They are so cute.
Those are the posy ones. These are they mammals? Yes, they're mammals.
Why?
They give birth to live young, and you see those bristles? That's what they have instead of fur. That would make a porcupine.
They're also omnivores. Okay, so we're not going to ride today, but who all has ridden them? Rebecca's the only one that hasn't?
No,
We're going to come back and do a camel ride one day.
I've never rode them.
No, you did when you were smaller.
Oh yeah, now I remember.
So, mammal or not a mammal?
Mammal. Rebecca, the camera rides are a little bumpy. Right, yeah. So, Rebecca can
All right, come on. All right, Rebecca, where are we going next?
Elephants.
Are elephants a mammal?
Yeah.
Are elephants a mammal? What do you mean, no?
Yeah, elephants are a mammal. I got mixed up.
Let's go in the indoor.
I can't wait until summer. Everything has the sprayers out. It's so fun. If summer ever comes.
Yeah,
We've had like 10 winters.
I see. Come on.
Like it'll be.
Come on. Sure. Here's a wall, or a ruler wall thing. Wow, they are really tall. I actually don't see them in here. So, actually, yes, I do see them in here. They're in there. That is really cool, though. There's a video about elephants. And there's a history of the elephants at the Knoxville Zoo. Isn't that super cool?
Sarah already colored one of those?
I don't remember. I don't think so. All right, so once upon a time, they used to allow people to come in when the elephants were laying down and would bathe them. And Madeline, when she was 4, got to bathe one of the elephants. Give me 2 reasons why an elephant is a mammal.
Well, number 1, an elephant.
Hags eggs.
There's an elephant out right now.
Tonka.
elephant does not lay eggs.
That's Tonka.
The poor thing's trunks are broken.
They're not broken. I think they cut them off for their own safety, for the elephant's own safety. I don't remember. I don't remember. There was a story about their trunks. I just don't remember what the story was. Let's do the rhinoceros first.
Dolly and Polly. Can we go there? Dolly's a famous name in Tennessee, like Dolly Parton. Can we do that? Yeah, can we go in that building thing? Oh, look! Unicorns!
Come on. Uh-huh. Let's come see them.
Do you see the unicorns? Oh, look at the bird. It's like, look at me. I'm better than these huge thingies. Mom, cactuses.
Cacti. When it's more than one, you say cacti. This is where the zebras used to be, but now it's the rhinoceros's home. Yeah, everybody has to go to the bathroom.
It's hard.
There they are.
Aww.
And technically these aren't unicorns because there's two horns on them. Can you see them? It's a white rhinoceros.
It's not so white right now. I
know.
can hear them breathing.